Ma'am, what's your name?
Randy Valdez.
This is file number 22-49901DS in the matter of Eric Zay versus Brandy Valdez. So this has been adjourned to June 1 at 8:15. Was it a show cause against you or against him? Against you? All right. If you make sure that friend of the court has a valid phone number for you, they will call you on Friday to let you know you don't have to come in. Do you have our Zoom information though?
No.
So I'm going to give you our Zoom information also, so that way if you're at work, you can just take a break. All right. I don't have any information other than that, so go down to friend of the court, make sure they have a good phone number for you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry, but do you happen to know, I'm sorry to ask you a question, how long it takes, so I've been making extra payments on the website, does it take?
It takes like 3 to 4 days before we see it.
Oh, it's been like last.
Go down to friend of the court, because I really don't have your information in front of me, so.
No, you're okay, I just thought I would ask. Sorry.
No, go down there and they'll help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. All right, in the matter of file number 2010-35508 DP, Kayla Forrest versus Blake Rinke. That matter has been adjourned to June 22nd at 8:15. In the matter, let me get Mr. Walker in. All right, in file number 2014-41077 DP, Haley Vidalez versus Ronald Walker. Mr. Walker, that's been adjourned to June 1 at 8:15. Can you? Yep, and Mr. Walker, who's your caseworker?
There was Steven David, I forgot. I remember Anderson was, I don't know. I didn't call down there later, get a hold of him.
All right, so is it Miss Heron now, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, it is.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, I know Mr. Walker's at work. I don't know if she has a correct phone number for him. If I put in a breakout room, will you get a contact number for him to give to Miss Heron? And that way, Mr. Walker, they can call you on Friday and let you know that you don't have to show up today, all right?
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna open up that breakout room with Mr. Anderson and Mr. Walker, and that's been adjourned to June 1 at 8:15. So just give them your number and they're supposed to call and let you know you don't have to show up. So there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night, Mr. Lucy.
You too. Join that breakout room.
Here's the part a lot of people miss in child support hearings. The court usually cares less about excuses and more about consistency. The judge is basically saying, if income slows down, you still have to show effort. What do you guys think? Should seasonal workers get more flexibility, or is the court being fair here?
Okay, letter. In file number 2018-45528 DM, in the matter of Jessica Smith versus John Vetter, that's been adjourned to July 27 at 8:15 in the morning. Let me get Miss Matheson. All right, Ms. Mathis, can you, unmute your device? In file number 21-48285 DM. This is in the matter of Sharice Mathis versus Carl Mathis. Ms. Mathis, your case has been adjourned to June 22nd at 8:15. Ms. Mathis, your friend of the court worker is always supposed to call and leave you a voicemail on the Friday before, so that way you don't have to take time out of your day for the hearing. I'm thinking your caseworker is, was it Jeff Anderson? So, if I put you in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson, can you verify your phone number with them? So that way you don't have to take time out of your day to show up here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so give me 1 second. And Mr. Anderson, Ms. Mathis, go ahead and you're going to join this breakout room, and then Ms. Mathis, you're all set. Go ahead and join the breakout room. In the matter of Adam Curitz versus Diane Curitz, I'm sorry, file number 21-48821 DM. So the date and time set for show cause, it's been adjourned to July 27 at 8:15 in the morning. All right, and in the matter of Patrick Ryan, who I have, so let me bring him in. Mr. Ryan, this is file number 2022-49163DS. Patrick Ryan versus Shannon Boulanger. Mr. Ryan, it's been adjourned to June 1 at 8:15 in the morning. June 1 at 8:15 in the morning. And your caseworker is Kendall Heron. Mr. Bo, if I could pop you in a breakout room with Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan, if you want to give us your updated phone number, they call on Friday to let you know you don't have to show up. Would you like to do that?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Kendall just returned a call last week, so they do have my updated phone number.
Oh, excellent. Well, I will.
And June 1, I did file an objection to the referee
sir.
hearing. And June 1, I also have a Zoom meeting with the referee.
Okay, so why don't I, hold on, I'm gonna adjourn it to June 22nd. So June 22nd, so you can take care of those things, all right?
Okay, June 22nd at 8:15?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you, young lady. I appreciate your time.
I'm a judge, I'm not a young lady.
Oh,
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Bye. All right, and Mr. Anderson and Mr. Bo, could you make sure that everybody knows that they're required to call those people on Fridays, please? Thank you. I understand sometimes people don't have voicemails set up, but all right, so who is? I have somebody named Regina, and I'm not quite sure who she is. Hi, Regina, if you could unmute your device and start your audio, please.
Can you hear me?
Good morning. Yes, what is
Good
your
morning.
last name?
James.
Okay, and did you have a friend of the court show cause this morning?
Did I have a friend?
Why-
Show cause?
What are you logging in for?
Because I am on a continuous, well, because this is the last time we had a court date was last month, and every month it's getting adjourned, and I was
Okay,
given
so what
this
is
date.
the father of your child's name?
Troy James.
Okay, you don't have a file number by any chance, do you?
No, not on me.
So this would be Tammy Knizel's file.
Judge,
Yes,
it does appear on March 23rd, you adjourned it to today, but that was not on the FOC docket.
okay. So you're right, ma'am. It did get adjourned to today, but we got our wires crossed, so it wasn't put on today's docket. Ms. Adams, was it a child support show cause or a parenting time show cause?
Yeah, let me see if I can pull it up. It says support.
Okay, so ma'am, what I'm gonna do is set this over to June 1. So Mr. Bowe and Mr. Anderson, I'll set it over to June 1, ma'am. All right. And Becky, what's the file number, please?
That is file 2025-52903DM.
All right, so ma'am, I'm sorry. So June 1 at 8:15, all right?
Yes, is my caseworker on?
They're not on my Zoom, but you
Okay.
could try calling them.
Yes, I've tried, and that's why I was hoping to reach them in person today, because I've asked multiple times to be contacted back and I'm not getting correspondence.
All right, Mr. Anderson, let me put you in a breakout room with her real quick. And you can get her contact information and or maybe answer her questions. So go ahead and join that breakout room.
Thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome. All right, so we are back with Mr. Holtz. Work. All right, Mr. Holtz, if you could start your audio and your video, please. All right, good morning, Mr. Holtz.
Good morning.
So we have two files. We have 2008-33341DM, Sarah Ann Marr versus Timothy Allen Holtz. File number 2008-33341DM. So looks like the original show cause here is from today. You have an arrearage only. So this is an arrearages only file of $4,967.21. Let's see, you did make a payment of $50 on January 9th. You quit paying after we dismissed the show cause. All right, and so Mr. Holtz, you owe as of today to make up your show causes, you owe $50 for February, March, and April, totaling $150. So, Mr. Holtz, are you able to make that?
So the reason I got a little behind on that is where I'm working, it's a seasonal thing at the farm, and I just got back full time just recently. I get paid tomorrow. I can catch up on that when I get my check tomorrow, since I just got back.
And then we have file number 2024-51596DM. You're supposed to pay $527 a month on that file. Same issue. We had a payment back in January. And once the show cause was dismissed, we've not received any other payments. You owe February, March, and April totaling $1,650. So Mr. Holtz, I know that you do seasonal work, but I also know other people that do seasonal work. They get a job during the winter or in the off season because you don't get to not pay. So Mr. Holtz, I'm gonna set this over to June 1 at 8:30 in the morning on both these files. I'm gonna ask you to come in person. If you've made all the payments and you're up to date, you can zoom in. But if you have not, I need you to come in person and we'll talk about, you know, how we're gonna move forward on this. So June 1 at 8:15 in person on both of these files. We'll see you back on that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the matter of file number 2007-32101DS, This is in the matter of Lisa Kupshaw versus Joseph Spresser. File number, oh, I already called that. So this is arrearages only. Mr. Spresser owes $7,611.19. We did get a payment of $5 back on April 2nd of 26. He's failed to appear. May issue a bench warrant for his arrest. It's that bond in the amount of $2,500. All right. I believe that concludes our friend the court show cause docket, Mr. Bowe. So anything I'm missing?
I don't believe so.
And there's the major escalation. Missing payments is one thing, but failing to appear in court can instantly turn this into a bench warrant situation. That $2,500 bond shows the court is done giving chances. Also, ending the hearing by talking about coffee after issuing a warrant? Courtroom energy is always unpredictable.
All right. Well, I'm going to go drink my coffee because that Florida concert went on way too late last night. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Rand, I am going to step off the bench for a bit and I'll be back.